Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you what to do when Snapchat says allow camera access. If you're using Snapchat and you're having any issue, which is Snapchat says that you have to allow camera access. So let's see how can you fix it. If you're still having an issue, something like this, so you can easily fix it. You just have to keep a long press on your Snapchat app, then select info icon here and you'll get any app settings, something like this. But if you won't get this interface, you just have to go back, go for main settings. In setting, just look for apps, then select all apps here, and here you just have to look for Snapchat. Here's the Snapchat app, just tap on it, then select permissions. In permission you just have to look for camera, and here you have to select allow only while using the app or allow all. Just select the first option, and after that your issue will be fixed and now you can easily use your Snapchat camera. So that's how you can easily fix what to do when Snapchat says allow camera access. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.